Okay, hey, just wanted to do a little quick instructional video. I did this and it seemed like it worked out to be the best. Now, according to the instructions, you have to do this on stove. There's no other directions. But through a little testing, I found out I can actually do it in the microwave, which is cool. Because consider the fact of that, as you could see in my wonderful little abode, I have no stove. See? There's the door, and that's the only thing I have to cook with. So, I'm not going to bore you with open up the packaging and all that, so you know how to do that. You basically take and set it up as what the package says. You take 2 cups of water, like it says. And I already have it in here. So you want to get like a big bowl like this with very high sides, so if it boils up, it won't make too messy. It helps contain the mess. So open up the microwave, put it in the microwave. Now what you do is you put it in the microwave for, as the instruction says, 3 minutes on the high setting that your microwave will go. Well, so we wait for 3 minutes. So after that comes out, what you basically do is you put the package, the flavor package, which this happens to be chicken, whatever flavor it is. You take and mix it in a bowl. You mix it. Now, you saw how I didn't break it up. You can break it up, whatever, but I don't. I like long noodles. So, if you like me, like the long noodles, you let it cook for the 3 minutes. Take it out. You can like stir it up, break up the noodles. You add the. I personally use a fork to do it. Makes it a lot hell easier. Then add the seasoning packet. Add the seasoning packet, and then nuke it for another 4 minutes in the microwave. And by 4 minutes, it's gonna be really, really, really super hot. So just warn you, gonna be very super hot. But your noodles, your ramen noodles, will be nice and cooked. Cooked perfectly as if you did it on a stove. Which, for me, makes awesome because I don't have a stove in here. I got about a minute to go. My microwave. Got about a minute to go. I don't know if I can pause my video or not, but still got a minute to go. I'm not gonna make you wait the next last 4 minutes because I'm quite sure you know if you eat ramen noodles like I do, and as you can see, I like my ramen noodles. So, therefore, now just for time purposes, you wait the whole 3 minutes. You wait the whole 3 minutes until it's done. So just take it out of the microwave. So see how it still kind of has that funky, it's not all the way cooked yet. So basically just take a fork, because you cooked it for 3 minutes. You can mix, because I didn't like cook all 3 minutes that I should have. Trust me, it'll be a lot easier for you. So where's my packet of flavoring? Let's see if I can do this. I'm trying to do this on my hold of my phone, which this ain't gonna work. So you basically just open up the packaging, dump the packaging in like so. I know, I'm sorry for the video, it sucks, I know. You don't need to post any comments about the video, so you just mix it up. That, gotta make sure all the noodles are kind of in the water. And then you just put it back in the microwave. That, and set it for, because I didn't like go all the way, I have to clear it. Set it for 4 minutes. The microwave. And then when it comes out of the microwave, it'll be look exactly as if you cooked it on the stove without no stove. So once it comes out of the microwave after 4 minutes, it'll look exactly, taste exactly, it'll look, taste exactly as if you cooked it on a stove. So hopefully that'll work, guys. I know I'm happy when I found that out. So, oh well. Enjoy your noodles.